Never in my wildest imagination would I ever have thought that my YouTube channel would have hit 500 subscribers, ever. So I'm so thankful you're here, and I hope that you enjoy this video, and cheers. Let's make a pumpkin smoothie. This pumpkin smoothie is so good. If you've seen one of my last videos, I have been trying to be mindful about how much I'm consuming, when I'm consuming it, and why I'm consuming it. Am I actually hungry, or am I feeling emotions that I haven't handled yet, which is causing me to eat? For me, I'm very much so an emotional eater. I eat when I'm stressed, I eat when I'm happy, I eat when I'm sad, I eat when I'm bored, I eat for no good reason. So I've really been trying to pay attention to that and watch that, and I think I'm doing a decent job. Listen, if you haven't had the struggle of wanting to eat all the time, you're probably not going to understand, and you're going to be like, okay. But I've struggled with it my entire life of just wanting to eat and eat and eat. He got us cupcakes the other night, and I only ate half of my cupcake. And then the next day I had a quarter of my cupcake, and then he ate the rest of it. So he's helping me. But I found a recipe on Pinterest that I'm going to use, and I'm going to link it below for you to try. And I think that you're really going to enjoy it. It is healthier while also being sweet. So let's just jump right into it. Okay? All right. I'll see you in a minute. It's a beautiful color. This recipe is super simple. Obviously, it's taken me 4 seconds. I've been planning on doing this for like a while. So this banana is frozen through and through. Maybe don't let your banana get to this point, or maybe do. Whatever floats your boat. But there we go. Okay, so half a banana. I don't have any cranberries, so I can't use those. I'm not sure where the flaxseed is, so instead I used plant protein. And in 1 scoop, it's 16 grams of protein, 10% iron, it's vegan, it's soy, gluten, and dairy free. So, and I just picked this up from the Walmart. We used our pumpkin spice. We used our pumpkin puree. We used Horizon vitamin D milk. We used Greek Gods yogurt, which had a honey flavor to it. We put the pumpkin spice, walnuts. Okay, we're gonna go back. Oop. Uh-oh. Okay. I found something the other day, which we've already gone over, but I'm going to see if it works. Probably not, but whatever, we can try. It's probably too far away. Oh, it's kind of there. It's kind of there. Here, let me show you. You can kind of see the pumpkin. It's so cute. This is the stencil. So you can kind of see it. It needs to be a little bit closer to the top, but I think it's super cute. So the author of this recipe does state at the very bottom, she has a disclaimer, and it says that the informational nutritional facts are as accurate as possible. So there is room for some wavering on these numbers. And then you can always click into the recipe and get this information yourself too. Calcium, 91, I think that's 91 milligrams. Fiber, 10 grams of fiber. 4 milligrams iron. It has vitamin C, vitamin A. There's 37 grams of sugar, 123 milligrams of sodium, 385 calories, 57 grams carbs, 11 grams of protein. That's altered a bit in this recipe because I added that plant protein powder to it, so that's not the same in this drink that I made specifically. And then 16 grams of fat. That might be milligrams. I didn't write that, I just wrote 16. And then cholesterol is 16 milligrams. So again, those are approximate, but this is very good. This is really delicious. Again, if you've watched other videos, my husband and I are not ice people, so we don't put ice in anything. We don't have an ice maker. That's not part of what we do in this house. So, but there is a frozen banana. And it's very thick, very frothy. I like this. I think you're gonna like it too. So I'm gonna finish up my day doing my Christmas planning. I'm so excited. If you're interested, because I know that, so in April, we did like a Christmas planning video, but it was very short. It wasn't very detailed at all. I showed you some of the Christmas cards I got and like a Christmas card organizer that I purchased off Etsy. And then I showed you the actual Christmas planner, but we didn't really go into a whole lot. So if you're interested in an actual Christmas planning video, let me know. I would love to do that. I think it would be really fun for me to set up a little area where I, decorate and we make a Christmas version of this and just have all the holly jolly feels and plan out our Christmas. I think that would be really fun. So if you're interested in that, please would you let me know in the comments. I don't want to make content that you guys don't actually want to see. So the more feedback that I have, the more I'm able to like share with you stuff that you care about, if that makes any sense. But anyway, this is delish. If you try it, let me know. Let me know your thoughts. I think there's no altering this recipe at all. I did put honey in it, but if you read through her actual blog, she says that you can add sweetener to it. She lists, I think it's stevia, honey, and maple syrup as her 3 sweeteners. So anyway, I did honey. Spectacular. Strongly advise you try this. I'll stop talking now. I hope you enjoy the rest of your day, and I thank you for being here, and I appreciate you watching my videos. And I should have addressed this in the very beginning. Maybe I will. Holy cow, 500 subscribers. Thank you. I never thought that I would get to this point. Honestly, because I thought the stuff that I was making, no one cared about. Just me. but I wanted a community of people to share that with, because my immediate circle, they don't care about Christmas 24/7 like I do. They don't care about, like, that's not their priority. It's something that I love. I love making a cozy house. I love making cozy food. I love making seasonal beverages. It's turned into more of like a Christmas land, autumnal vibe, cozy situation, and I love it. And I am so thankful that you are here and that we have hit 500 subscribers. That's insane to me. That is absolutely wild. That blows my mind. Yeah. I'm gonna make this again.